Hello guys, it's Mokobe here. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how to uninstall or remove WordPress from your cPanel. Let's get into the video. So the first thing you need to do is that you simply need to log into your cPanel. Once you're there, you scroll down and you click on WordPress Manager. After which you're going to see your WordPress website. Is it here? So after that, you click here. After that, you scroll down and you are going to see remove uninstall. So I'm going to simply click on what uninstall. So after that, you can simply scroll down and you click on what remove installation. So but make sure you simply enable this. After that, you click on what remove installation. Okay, so you need to wait for it to get complete. For the removal should be complete. So guys, we just remove it successfully. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave your comments if you face any difficulty doing this. If you want to see more video of this, make sure you subscribe. See you in the next tutorial. Peace out.